Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can open and exit the safe mode on a OnePlus device. So in order to do that, this especially works for devices which have this type of power menu, like this one over here. So if you want to do that, first of all you need to power off your device. So once again, open the power menu, you can press the power button and volume up button at the same time. And then of course you want to move the white circle towards the power off option like so. This is how we can turn off our device. Now, once the device is off, we want to turn it back on, so you want to press and hold the power button. And once you see the OnePlus logo, you actually want to release the power button, and then you want to press and hold the volume down button. So, first let's start by pressing the power button, so turn the device on. And now switch to volume down. Press and hold volume down button. Keep holding it. Soon we should see the animation. There we go. And now we can release the button. And there we go. Now we are in the safe mode. So of course, in the safe mode, we don't have access to too many apps. We only have access to those that are installed by default. And as you can see, widgets are not working. So if you want to now exit the safe mode, you need to simply restart the device. So in order to reboot, once again, open the power menu, but this time we want to go to the restart option. And there we go. Now the device will turn itself back on. However, keep in mind that now if you go back to the normal mode, you will be in the airplane mode, so remember to turn it off. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!